Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to connect ConvertKit to System.io easily. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss out on the free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account. This tool allows you to connect ConvertKit with System.io seamlessly. Once you're logged in, go to your Zapier dashboard. Here, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it, then select Zaps to start setting up your automation. If you run into any issues, don't worry. The Copilot feature in Zapier is there to guide you through the process. Next, choose both ConvertKit and System.io from the list of available options, and make sure to enter all the required details on the right side of your screen. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In. You'll be asked for your API key. To find it, go to your ConvertKit account, navigate to Developer Settings, and copy your secret key. Paste it into Zapier, then click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit. Now repeat this process to log in to your System.io account. Once both accounts are successfully connected, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. For example, what actions should happen when a subscriber joins a ConvertKit list or completes a funnel step in System.io. When you're happy with everything, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You've successfully connected ConvertKit to System.io. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to a free training on how to build your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have used this exact strategy to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.